We are in CCMT Shanghai. The response here is overwhelming for AceMicromatic Group's production solutions. I would like to talk about our AI solution, AMG MITRA. AMG MITRA is the flagship agentic AI assistant from AceMicromatic Group, developed by AceMicromatic Manufacturing Intelligence Technologies. MITRA is designed as a digital companion for the Shopfloor. It represents the group's move towards Industry 5.0, where human-machine collaboration is enhanced by intelligent data. Talking about capabilities of MITRA, the AI agent is neutral and data-agnostic. It operates on a scalable architecture that can integrate with various enterprise systems. MITRA leverages decades of operational data from AMG's ecosystem to provide key insights to its users. It is important to note that AMG ecosystem has thousands of machines deployed worldwide. MITRA helps operators and managers with decision-making by simplifying complex machine data into actionable insights, helping them to solve shop floor challenges quickly. We are currently demonstrating this technology in CCMT exhibition, showcasing its ability to act as a bridge between high-tech CNC machinery and the people who run it. For AceMicromatic, AMG MITRA is more than just a chatbot. It's a core part of smart factory vision. It integrates with our existing MIoT and Industry 4.0 solutions to ensure that the manufacturing processes are not just automated but truly intelligent and adaptive.